Welcome to a world of discovery, where the cheerful clucking in a sunlit barn meets the mysterious songs of the deep blue sea. Land and Sea Friends is a special journey designed to spark curiosity and wonder in young explorers. We'll travel from the familiar, fuzzy faces of the farmyard to the dazzling, alien-like creatures that shimmer in the ocean's depths. Seashells are animal homes, not the animals themselves. Most are the outer shells of marine mollusks like snails, clams, and oysters. Seashells for thousands of years as tools, jewelry, art, currency, and even musical instruments like conch horns. Monkeys are highly intelligent and use tools, such as sticks to catch insects or rocks to crack nuts. Monkeys communicate with facial expressions, body language, and sounds. Some species even groom each other to strengthen friendships and remove bugs. Monkeys can recognize themselves in mirrors. Snails are mollusks, just like clams and octopuses. They have soft bodies protected by a hard spiral shell. Snails are super slow. Most garden snails move only about 0.3 miles per hour. That's less than 2 inches per second. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm even when swimming all day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Snakes are reptiles and belong to the serpent suborder. Snakes live on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have no legs, but they can move in many amazing ways, by slithering, sidewinding, or climbing. Snakes use their muscles and belly scales to move across surfaces. Seals are marine mammals, which means they breathe air, give birth to live young, and feed them milk, just like whales and dolphins. Seals can sleep underwater. They shut down half their brain at a time. One half rests. Frogs begin their life in water as tadpoles, which have gills and a tail. They undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis to develop lungs and legs for life on land. Frog skin can breathe and absorb water. Many species also have glands that secrete pep. Hammerhead shark is one of the most easily recognizable creatures in the ocean due to its unique head shape, which is called a cephalofoil. Hammerhead's head is covered in special jelly-filled pores called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Hammerhead sharks are highly social. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods. Alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. Crabs are crustaceans related to lobsters and shrimp and have 10 legs. The front two are claws called chellae. Crabs are omnivores, eating algae, plants, worms, fish, and even dead animals. Crabs have been around for more than 200 million years, surviving since the time of the dinosaurs. Fin whale is one of the fastest of all the large whales. When it needs to, it can sustain speeds of over 25 miles per hour and burst even faster. Fin whales are known for their incredibly deep and low-frequency vocalizations. Fin whales' diet consists of some of the ocean's smallest creatures. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Their big ears also help them stay cool by releasing heat. Goblin shark is a deep-sea predator known for its unique and frightening appearance. It is often called a living fossil because it is the last remaining member of a shark family that dates back over 125 million years. Goblin sharks live in the deep sea, typically at depths between 800 and 4,000 feet. Turtle is a reptile characterized by its bony or cartilaginous shell. This shell acts as a protective shield for its body. Turtles have been on Earth for an incredibly long time. They first evolved over 200 million years ago. Turtles are omnivores. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Orcas have a truly global distribution and are the most widespread marine mammal after humans. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they are at the very top of the food chain and have no natural predators. Orcas live in complex and stable social groups called pods, which are often led by the oldest female. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams along the eastern coast of Australia, from cold highlands to tropical rainforests. Platypuses live in burrows. They dig in the banks of rivers and streams. These burrows can be up to 30 meters, 100 feet long. Piranhas are freshwater fish that are native to the rivers, lakes, and streams of South America. They are most famously found in the Amazon River basin. Piranha's most distinctive feature is its set of interlocking teeth. These teeth are razor-sharp and shaped like triangles. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Lobsters are crustaceans, just like crabs and shrimp. They live on the ocean floor and crawl around using their strong legs. Lobsters have two main claws. One is the crusher, for breaking shells, and the other is the pincher, for cutting and tearing. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Whales are not fish. They are marine mammals. This means they are warm-blooded, breathe air through lungs, give birth to live young, and produce milk to feed their babies. Whales are divided into two main groups, baleen and toothed. Have bristly plates in their mouth to filter tiny krill and plankton from the water. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view. Clownfish live in coral reefs, mostly in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef. Clownfish lay eggs on flat surfaces near their anemones, and the male guards and fans them until they hatch. If clownfish and anemones disappear, it often means the coral reef ecosystem is in trouble. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell. Penguins are flightless birds that are highly adapted for life in the water. Their wings have evolved into stiff, flat flippers that they use to fly through the ocean with incredible speed and agility. Penguins live in a wide range of habitats in the southern hemisphere. Sharks are a type of fish, but they are very different from most common bony fish. Sharks have a remarkable ability to continuously replace their teeth throughout their lifetime. Some species can lose and regrow thousands of teeth. Sharks play a critical role as apex predators in maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. By preying on sick, weak, or older animals, an important role in our world. Our adventure begins on solid ground, in the heart of a bustling farmyard. Here, we'll meet our dependable land friends, the gentle cow with her soft, trusting eyes, the playful goats who love to climb and explore,